For over 150 years, TÜV SÜD has been at the forefront of making technology safe, reliable, and sustainable. As a global leader in EV safety, we are proud to introduce a pioneering solution right here in India, the TÜV SÜD E-Mobility Training Mobile Lab. This is no ordinary training facility. The mobile lab is a fully equipped classroom on wheels, designed to bring hands-on training directly to your doorstep. Inside, professionals will gain unprecedented access to EV powertrains, battery systems, and safety components, exploring the intricate systems that power today's electric vehicles.
TÜV SÜD provides 3 levels in high voltage safety training. Level 1 is the minimum training required for any technician, and it provides essential safety awareness outlining what employees should and shouldn't do around high voltage vehicles. Level 2 equips technicians in in-depth knowledge of high voltage components, enabling them to safely decommission systems and ensure the safety of Level 1 technicians. Level 3 prepares advanced technicians to handle complex scenarios, including situations where deactivating the system is not possible or its status is unknown. Example, repairs regarding the battery pack or working on a car which has met with a collision.
At TÜV SÜD, we are committed to advancing the capabilities of India's workforce by bringing the latest training directly to where it's needed most. We are ensuring that technicians are equipped for the challenges of today and tomorrow. Whether you're part of an OEM, Tier 1 or Tier 2 supplier, or an individual seeking to upskill, TÜV SÜD is making EV safety training accessible across India. The future of mobility is electric, and TÜV SÜD is here to ensure that safety is never compromised. Together we are building a safer, more sustainable future for India's electric revolution.